The former Assistant Inspector General of Police Meghalaya, G.K. Yangrai, had spoken to newspersons today after bail was granted to him with regards to 2 cases made against him. However, after the briefing, the CID had rearrested him after another case against him was registered.
Namanta Chairperson ng Women's Commission by Don Banta hakajing file nomination jong iwi candidate jong party NPP West Jaintia Hills iba Wailadmiki Shylla tingiwan ujong katake.
We want the candidate to be disqualified, as well as the Women Commission to be removed because she has violated the Model Code of Conduct and she has also violated the Indian Member Citizen Act. So it is, we have come, our senior MP, Mr.
It is a clear violation of our election rule and election procedure. So it is not only the chairperson's, the candidate is also more responsible for that. So our demand, our submission is disqualify the candidate as well as take disciplinary action against the concerned chairperson. That is our demand.
Yes. A chairman of Women's Commission is usually a political appointee, but we'll have to check the rules, and we'll also have to check the veracity of the complaint. So right now, until I get something in black and white, it would be premature for me to say anything. Once I get the report from the district election officer, and once I get a reply from the person being complained against, then the matter will be clear, and based on that, then further action will be taken. But I cannot give any presumptive answer right now.